This is the tutorial on how to add the GBA BIOS and more ROMs for your iPod Touch 1.1.3. Now, for this process, you're going to need, for your iPod Touch, you're going to need to download Mobile Finder, which can be found in Installer. Also, for your PC, you're going to need to download iPhone browser. I'll set up the link for that, and also I'll set up the link for where you can download the GBA BIOS. Now, if you don't have the GBA emulator installed on your iPod Touch already, you can find that in Installer as well. Now, for this process, you're going to need to have your iPod Touch connected to the computer. Now, let's get started. Now, once you have downloaded iPhone browser, we're going to open up iPhone browser. Let me maximize that for you guys. Now, at the top where it says Applications, right there, Applications, we're going to scroll down to where it says GPS Phone, to that folder. Now, to the right, you should see a whole bunch of files open up in that folder. Now, there is a file in here that says add GBA BIOS here or copy here. That's exactly what you're going to do. Now, I have my GBA BIOS downloaded to my desktop. GBA BIOS. Now, what you do is you just drag it to that folder, and it's going to copy. Now, go back to your iPod Touch. Now, once you have Mobile Finder installed and all the resources refreshed, you're going to open up the application. Now, on that little button that says Up, you're going to hit that button. And what that does is bring up a list of applications that's installed in your iPod Touch. Now we're going to highlight, once you scroll down, I'm going to highlight GPS Phone and click the button Modify. Now, where it says Everyone, we're going to turn off that button that says Write. Okay? Now once you've done that, you're going to click Done, and then let's go back. Alright, now, to add the GBA ROMs to your iPod Touch, maximize that, you're going to go back to iPhone browser. Now, there's a folder all the way at the end that says VAR. Expand that file, or those folders. You're going to look for the folder that says root, expand that, then expand the folder that says media. Now you should now see a folder that says ROMs, expand that as well. Now, when I first installed iPhone browser, it didn't have a folder that said GBA. Now, to create a folder that says GBA, all you have to do is right click on the folder ROMs and click on New Folder and name it GBA. Now, once you've done that, click on the folder GBA. Well, you wouldn't have nothing in yours, but these are a list of all the ROMs I have installed already in mine. Let's give you a quick look. The ROMs and the save files of the ROMs that I've been playing so far. Quick glimpse. Okay, now once you open up that folder, wherever you saved your ROMs, open up that directory. I have some ROMs in here, I think. Yep, ROMs. Now all you're gonna do, just like the GBA BIOS, you're gonna drag the ROM to that folder. And that's it. Now go back to your iTouch. Back to your iTouch. Let's go to games. Right, GBA emulator. Let's open that. And it should work. Here's a list of all the ROMs that I have. Show one in action. There you go. And that's it.